Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So a couple of things got on the go. So diagonal trend lines are still in, and you can see how they are being respected. So let's just start with this little one here. You can see that was the trend line. We broke above it. We did reject this level, which I gave you earlier in the week. I said to you yesterday, not expecting us to break through that 42.82 or 42.83 area, and that's exactly what we did. We sort of rejected it with a range bar, and then we came back to test the break, and you basically had an opportunity for a long scalp here off that trend line break. What is materializing at the moment is pretty simple. We have another trend line, and I'm just going to delete that one for now. And then we have pretty much a triangle there. So we have a triangle. It's kind of full at the moment. We do have the FOMC coming out next week with their song and dance. So that probably, normally you see the triangle form closest to the time, but maybe there's some news that's going to leak, or alternatively, there's just a complete fear in the market, and that is exactly what you're seeing. Nobody knows what is going on, and the algorithms or sort of automatic computer trading, those are the guys making the money right now. It's very difficult for us as retail traders to jump in and out of this, unless you're sitting in front of your workstation 24/7 and trading the 5 or 3 minute charts. But most of us who are not in that position are not able to do that. Anyway, this is still a key level for me, and that's 42.82. Remember, FOMC, the Feds are looking to raise interest rates. They've told the market they're raising interest rates. They've said it over the last 4 or 5 months now. But the market is now still really panicking instead of just getting on with it and dealing with it. So, they're kind of hoping that the Feds come out dovish and say, oh no, we're not going to raise interest rates, which will propel the market up. The other thing that's going to happen is if they do raise it, talk about interest rate hikes or give firm dates when they're going to raise the interest rate, then you're going to see this plummet a little bit further. So, we're poised at the moment, and that's exactly what you're seeing this week. Pretty much up and down, no direction whatsoever. Not something I'm interested in trading. You can see yesterday it did look like a bit of a flag forming, but we were looking for the break above 40.31. Didn't materialize. Now we're back in amongst the moving averages. Look at your oscillators. There's no indication of any direction at the moment. So I'm kind of the opinion we need to wait for 4200, 4209, but 4200 is probably the round number. A break of that and a clear break and retest of that, then we are looking down to 4000. And if you look at 4282, a break and retest of that, then you're looking at least up to the trend line around 4300, 4320, somewhere around there. But for me today, there is absolutely nothing worth trading here. So there are a few opportunities on the forex pairs, few little scalps available there. But this, to me, just really not interested in playing whipsaw like this. And you can see the 15 minutes. I mean, it's all over the place. In fact, if we just drop down to the 3 minute, just go to yesterday, you can see from a 3 minute perspective, definitely opportunities. There's a couple of opportunities too short, but you need to be sitting here. So that's within half an hour. So within half an hour, you had the ability to scalp to almost 200 points, 180 points, then a pullback, and then you had another opportunity there. But look how volatile it is. I mean, this is not something you want to be trading. Double top, price action, everything is working here on the 3 hour, and you're trending below moving averages. But the reality is you need to be sitting on and concentrating on this and not moving from your workstation, because otherwise you are going to lose money. And that's not the way I trade. Anyway, I've got better things to do than sit and stare at a chart. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Definitely not really keen in jumping into this. So we will more than likely be taking a long weekend. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend, and cheers for now.